Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic close to all our hearts, personal growth. We all want to evolve, learn, and become the best versions of ourselves, but sometimes figuring out where to start can feel overwhelming. That's why I'm excited to share a powerful framework, 5 key abilities that unlock massive personal growth. 1. Develop the ability to absorb. Let's begin with the foundation, the ability to absorb. This is all about actively seeking out knowledge and experiences. Imagine yourself as a sponge, ready to soak up information. There are endless ways to absorb. Reading books, listening to podcasts, attending workshops, engaging in deep conversations. All these activities fill your mental toolbox with valuable resources. Don't underestimate the power of curiosity. Explore topics that spark your interest, even if they contradict your current goals. You never know what hidden gems might unlock new perspectives. Here are some tips for becoming a master absorber. Set learning goals. Decide what you want to learn about and dedicate specific time to explore it. Diversify your sources. Don't just stick to one format. Combine books with documentaries and online courses with audiobooks. Take notes. Capture key ideas and quotes during your learning process. This helps solidify information and allows for easy revisiting later. Be present. When absorbing information, focus fully. Distractions can hinder your learning potential. 2. Learn to respond. Now let's move from simply absorbing to actively responding. This ability involves processing the information you've gathered and formulating your thoughts and opinions. Don't just passively take in information. Ask yourself questions. Analyze, challenge, and connect new ideas with existing knowledge. Responding can involve anything from writing reflections in a journal to engaging in discussions with friends. Here's how to strengthen your ability to respond. Practice critical thinking. Question assumptions, identify biases, and evaluate evidence. Develop your voice. Don't regurgitate. Formulate your own opinions based on what you've learned. Engage in discussions. Share your thoughts with others to gain new perspectives and refine your understanding. 3. Develop the ability to reflect. Reflection is the bridge between absorbing information and taking action. It's about taking a step back, analyzing your experiences, and drawing valuable insights. Regularly take time to reflect on your learning journey. What did you gain from new experiences? How does this connect to your goals? Reflection helps you identify areas for improvement and celebrate your progress. Here are some tips for developing a strong reflection practice. Schedule reflection time. Block dedicated time in your calendar for journaling, meditation, or simply quiet contemplation. Ask yourself open-ended questions. Dig deeper than surface-level observations. What went well? What could I have done differently? What did I learn from this experience? Identify patterns. Are there recurring themes or challenges you keep encountering? Reflecting helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses. 4. Develop the ability to act. Learning without action is like storing up potential energy. To truly grow, you need to put your knowledge and insights into practice. The ability to act is where the magic happens. Turn your learnings and reflections into concrete steps. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and course correct as needed. Remember, growth is rarely a linear process. Here's how to translate knowledge into action. Set SMART goals. These are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. They provide a clear roadmap for your actions. Break down large goals into smaller steps. Make them manageable and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. 5. Develop the ability to share. Personal growth is not a solo journey. Sharing your knowledge and experiences with others amplifies the impact and opens doors for collaboration. Share your learnings with friends, family, or online communities. It not only reinforces your knowledge, but also personal growth is not a solo journey. Sharing your knowledge and experiences with others amplifies the impact and opens doors for collaboration in several ways. Reinforcement through teaching. When you explain a concept to someone else, you solidify your own understanding. The process of putting your thoughts into words and addressing potential questions strengthens your grasp of the material. Community and connection. Sharing your learning fosters a sense of community and connection with others who share similar interests. You can create a space for mutual learning and support, exchanging insights and experiences that further enrich your growth journey. Collaboration and innovation. Sharing your ideas sparks collaboration. When you present your knowledge to others, it opens the door for collaboration on projects, problem-solving, and even the creation of entirely new ideas. Combining diverse perspectives can lead to innovative solutions and breakthroughs. Helping others grow. Sharing your knowledge is a powerful way to contribute to the growth of others. You might inspire someone else to embark on their own learning journey, providing them with valuable resources and support. By fostering growth in others, you create a ripple effect that can positively impact your entire community. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the 5 key abilities for personal growth: absorb, respond, reflect, act, and share. Remember, growth is a continuous journey. Keep expanding your knowledge base, challenge your thinking, translate learning into action, and share your wisdom with the world. By embracing these abilities, you'll unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's grow together.